Hello. Macaroni and cheese recipe. Here's a classic and easy macaroni and cheese recipe for you. Ingredients: 300 g elbow macaroni, 100 g cheddar cheese, grated, 40 g butter, 40 g flour, 600 milliliters milk, 100 milliliters cream, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cook the macaroni. Boil the macaroni according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. 2. Make the cheese sauce. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and stir continuously for about 2 minutes to form a roux. Gradually add the milk and cream, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Cook until the sauce thickens. Remove from heat and stir in the grated cheddar cheese until melted and smooth. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Combine and bake. Mix the cooked macaroni with the cheese sauce. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and top with extra grated cheese if desired. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the top is golden and bubbly. Enjoy your homemade macaroni and cheese. Wedge of cheese. Would you like any tips on variations or additional ingredients to add? Thanks you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.